A computer motherboard is the primary circuit board that connects all the different components of a computer system. It is also known as the mainboard, system board, or logic board. The motherboard serves as the central hub that allows communication between the CPU, memory, storage devices, expansion cards, and other peripheral devices. It also contains various chips, such as the BIOS chip, which is responsible for initializing the hardware during the boot-up process. The design of a motherboard can vary depending on the intended use, such as for gaming, workstation, or server applications. It is important to choose a motherboard that is compatible with the CPU and other components you plan to use, as well as one that has the necessary features and expansion options for your needs. Here are some additional details about computer motherboards. Form factor. The size and shape of a motherboard are determined by its form factor. The most common form factors for desktop computers are ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX. These standards determine the layout of components and the location of mounting holes for the motherboard. Chipset. The chipset is a group of electronic components that manage communication between the CPU, memory, and other peripherals. The chipset consists of two main chips, the North Bridge and the South Bridge. The North Bridge controls communication between the CPU, memory, and graphics card, while the South Bridge manages other input-output devices such as USB, SATA, and Ethernet. Overclocking is the process of increasing the clock speed of the CPU or other components beyond the manufacturer's specifications. This can improve performance, but it also generates more heat, which can damage the components if not properly managed. Expansion. The motherboard provides expansion slots for additional components to be added to the system, such as graphics cards, sound cards, and network cards. Other expansion slots include PCI, AGP, and ISA, which are used for older hardware. This allows users to customize their system and improve its performance. Memory slots. Motherboards have memory slots where RAM can be installed. The number and type of memory slots vary depending on the motherboard. DDR4 is currently the most common type of RAM used in modern systems. Power supply. The power supply unit provides power to the motherboard and other components. It is important to choose a PSU that can provide enough power for the components in the system. It ensures that each component receives the appropriate amount of power to operate correctly. Compatibility. When building a computer, it is important to choose a motherboard that is compatible with the other components in the system. This includes the CPU, RAM, graphics card, storage devices, and other peripherals. Communication between components. The motherboard provides a pathway for communication between the CPU, RAM, storage devices, expansion cards, and other peripherals. It ensures that data can be transmitted quickly and efficiently between these components. It's important to note that the best motherboard for you may depend on your specific needs and preferences. It's recommended to do thorough research and read reviews before making a purchase. Overall, the motherboard is a crucial component in a computer system, providing the backbone that connects and controls all the other components. I hope you like this program. Please comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.